Hi, we will be discussing the importance of meeting industry standards with the Fit to Standard workshop from SAP. The purpose of the Fit to Standard analysis workshops is to check the scope identified in the digital discovery assessment and define configuration and customization requirements for the new system. During the SAP Fit to Standard workshops, the key user is responsible for providing input and feedback on the new SAP system and its processes. They are the point of contact and responsible for ensuring that the SAP system meets the needs of the business. Ideally, the users represent business roles covered in SAP S/4HANA Cloud business processes. The SAP consultant will work with the customer to review their systems and processes, identify areas of improvement, and develop a plan to bring the system up to the latest SAP standards. The consultant will also provide guidance on best practices and help the customer develop a roadmap for future SAP implementations. The 3 phases of the workshop process are prepare, explore, and realize. During the prepare phase, the consultants prepare the business-driven configuration questionnaire to identify business needs. The project lead will develop a roadmap for the implementation. During the explore phase, the consultants will help you to understand the features and capabilities of the SAP S/4HANA Cloud platform and how to use them to your advantage. The consultants will help you to learn more about the new solution in a starter system. Users can also do some testing on their own. This phase will end after the required documentation is signed off. Finally, during the realize phase, the consultant will implement the solution and ensure that it meets your business needs. With guidance, the users will be able to get your SAP S/4HANA Cloud implementation up and running quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. See you next time.